Yes, কি কৈছা? কি কৈছা?
Sir, ERP to open koro para nai.
Network or problem.
Network problem. So,
Yes,
all
sir.
students, I just request you please switch on your Netflix videos. Okay, you turn off your mics when you are. I'm just asking you just open your mics. Okay. So yes, you can now you can. I have the conversation with you. You just open your mics, but you have to turn on your videos also. Fine.
Sir, your voice is not clear, sir.
Is it clear now? Please check your internet connections. Okay. Is it okay now? Lokman,
Okay, sir.
Bornali, Nilufwa. Is it okay? Dakin,
Sir, I can open my video
your
because of internet point
yeah,
in internet connection.
you just took a pen and paper and go through the slides of what I'm going to discuss. Okay, you are not hearing my voice, but you are seeing the screen. You have seen.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So today I'm going to discuss about the pharmaceutical pre-formulation. So
Yeah.
so I just already give you
Yes,
simple
sir.
concept about the pharmaceutical pre-formulation in the last class. Okay. So can you tell me about the what is pharmaceutical pre-formulation? Anyone? Amina, Ankita, Hydrosri, Athar Nafis.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you tell me about what is pre-formulation? Do you have any idea regarding pre-formulation? Don't know. Anubhav, Athar Nafis, Ipsika, Dilwar, Himanshu. What? What? Keep paisa.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Pre-formulation. That means pre-formulation means
So,
don't
basic
know.
idea nice, sir.
তথাপিও কিবা আইডিয়া আছেনে? কাৰোবাৰ কিবা আইডিয়া আছেনে?
ড্ৰাগ এটা বনোৱাৰ আগত যোনখিনি ষ্টাডি কৰা হয় তাৰ ড'জেজৰ ওপৰত তাৰ ৰোট অফ এডমিনিষ্ট্ৰেশ্যন কেনেকা কি হ'ব পিছত তাৰ যোনটো ডেলিভাৰী কেনেকে কৰিব লাগিব মানে তাৰ বনোৱাৰ আগত মেচিনাৰী ৱৰ্কৰ আগত যোনখিনি ষ্টাডি কৰা যায় নাইবা যোনখিনি কাম থাকে সেইখিনি ছাৰ প্ৰি ফৰ্মুলেশ্যনৰ আণ্ডাৰত আহে
Okay. So it's late.
Sir,
That
physical
is
sector,
not
chemical
the
property.
100%
Sir.
correct, but it is 70% correct. Okay. So pre-formulation, you have seen the screen. I have shared one slide. Okay. That is the definition of pre-formulation. Have you seen? So
ছাৰ
yes. So
Yes, sir.
pre-formulation is a branch of pharmacy which deals with the investigation of physical and chemical properties of the drug substance alone or when combined with the excipients. So, what do you have learned from this definition? That means it is said that it is a branch of pharmacy deals with the investigation of physical and chemical properties. Okay, physical properties
Yes,
means
sir.
physical properties includes. Tell me about the physical properties. What are the physical properties we are going to examine before the pre-formulation?
absorption
No.
Solubility.
solubility
Solubility.
absorption
Then
Sir, rate of the deformation,
Rate of
dissociation, sir, rate of dissociation.
dissociation.
Yes, sir.
Can you elaborate what is rate of dissociation? What do you mean by rate of dissociation?
In our body, from the drugs from the bigger molecule, convert into the smaller molecule. The rate is this rate is called the rate of dissociation.
Okay, then another examples. What is the physical properties?
Sir, partition coefficient.
Partition coefficient.
Yes, sir.
See, simple physical properties. First one is the color,
Sir, size, shape, and
size,
like
shape,
that.
color. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Form. Is it liquid, solid? Okay.
Yes, sir.
If it is powder, then it is amorphous or crystalline. Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
then another physical properties.
Sir, melting point, boiling point,
Bioavailability.
Bioavailability is not the physical
solubility, sir,
solubility,
pH,
pH,
density.
density. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then what do you mean by chemical properties? Chemical properties. Razaul Haq Chaudhary, are you there? Razaul, are you there? Yashri,
Yes, sir.
what do you mean by chemical properties? I do
Sir,
not need the proper definition. I just want to know what do you understand when I'm saying that the chemical properties of the drug.
okay, sir.
The properties of the drug depending upon the chemical nature of the drug.
That means examples.
Like the bioavailability,
pH of the
then sir,
pH.
If it is in the physical property, then how it is come in the chemical properties also?
Which one, sir?
which one, sir?
Already someone told me that it is in the under physical properties. Okay.
So which
No,
one?
sir. I am talking about pH, sir.
Okay. Then pH,
Toxicity.
toxicity.
Yes, sir. Sir, drug may be reacts with other reagents, other molecules in our body or outside body, sir, like that.
Okay. That means it may occur oxidation, reduction, diffusion.
Yes, sir. Reduction.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these are some chemical properties. That means chemical interaction between drug molecule and the other excipients. Okay. So what do you mean by
Sure.
excipients?
Sir, these are the components in a medicine which are added extra than the main drug molecule.
Yeah. Definitely. Why we are use excipients in the drug?
For example, sir, coloring agent, coating agent,
Then
then binding agent.
yeah, for the preparation of tablet, what are the excipients we are using? Can you say some names? Binding agent. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Example. Can you give the example?
Sir, sweetening agents.
Example. Binding agent. Example of some binding agents.
Sir, gum tragacan.
Ram Tagat.
Starch.
Prakaka.
Starch.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then
Starch.
start. Good. Very good. Then okay. Fine. Then apart from the binding agents, what are the other ingredients we are using in the tablet?
Some
Apart
sweetening
from
agent,
binding
coloring agent.
Sweetening
coloring
agent.
agent,
Sweetening
coating
agent.
agent.
Okay.
Coating.
Coating. See, first of all, I am saying that is first one is the binding agent. Then
Yes, sir.
fillers. Okay. then diluents. Are you started all these things in previous classes, previous semester classes? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No,
Yes.
sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, or no, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. I know that is yes. Don't say no. Okay. So you are using some. We are using for the preparation of tablet. I'm taking the example of tablet. We are adding some excipients. Like first one is the diluents. Okay. Fillers. Okay. Binders. Then then lubricating agents.
Sweeteners.
Lubricating agents. Sweeteners, sweetening agents as per required. In all tablets or in all formulation, we are not using sweetening agents, but we are using binders, diluents, and fillers, then disintegrating agents. Okay, this must be required. Sweetening agents may not be required. It is depends upon the property of the drugs. If it is bitter in taste, or if it is no tasteless, then we are adding the sweeteners. Okay, so then apart from that, we are using coating. Okay, coating materials.
Yes, sir.
Then any other substances, lubricating agents. Okay, so these are lots of ingredients we are using in the preparation of tablets. If you are taking paracetamol tablet, then we have to add all the ingredients along with the paracetamol. ओके तो प्रिपरेशन ऑफ टैबलेट सिंपल एग्जांपल आप लोग जब आटे की रोटी बनाते हो उसमें सिर्फ आटा रहता है क्या
नहीं, sir.
नो वी आर एडिंग वाटर आल्सो वी आर एडिंग ऑयल आल्सो वी आर एडिंग सॉल्ट आल्सो व्हाई टू गेट द प्रॉपर formulation form of the particular flour is not it. So similar wise, when we are going for the preparation of tablet, we are adding lots of other ingredients. When we are using ingredients, we have to check whether the ingredients is compatible with the particular drug or not. It's not it.
Yes, sir.
That is the main motto in for the pre-formulation study. Okay. We cannot use any chemicals or any excipients with the another active pharmaceutical ingredients, that is API. All API, all excipients are not compatible with the all APIs. It has some properties. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
what we have to check? We have to check the physical properties and we have to go for the chemical properties. Right. The pre-formulation
Yes, sir.
study, we have to check physical or chemical properties. All students are there or not? I have to check. Okay, all are there. All students are present.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Luna Smita, you just turn on your video.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So why you are not turn on your video?
Sir,
Okay,
sir, if I turn on the video, the voice is cracking.
okay.
Yes,
Most
sir.
Jyotirmoy Haloi, Ilzam Amul.
Yes, sir.
Lunas meter to Monisina Muta do Hoymanasa.
Pritam, are you there? Pritam, Roshan Sivakuti, are you there? Sanjeev Sharma,
Sir.
Sohena Sereen, Tirthankar,
Yes, sir.
all are there. All are listening or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Listen.
okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir. We are
Fine.
listening you.
Yes, sir.
Fine,
Yes, sir.
fine.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the importance of pre-formulation study in the pharmacy? So, pre-formulation is first introduced in 1960. Okay. So, pre-formulation testing is the first step in the rational development of doses from of the drug substance. Already we have got the concept why we are going to the pre-formulation study. Is not it? Is not it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Pre-formulation forms an indispensable part of innovator company as well as the generic companies. Okay. When one new drug formulation, when we are going for a new drug formulation, then we have to go with the pre-formulation studies. Now companies, paracetamol or diclofenac sodium tablet or aceclofenac sodium tablet, it is already established drug, is not it? When
Yes,
we are
sir.
going to manufacture the paracetamol tablet now, when we are going for the diclofenac or pantoprazole sodium drug, we did not go for the pre-formulation study. Why? Because it is already established, is not it?
Yes, sir.
But when we
Yes.
are going for a new drug formulation, we have to go for the what? Pre-formulation studies. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Sir.
physical characteristics. Physical characteristics means কোনে কথা পাতি আছা? কোনে কথা পাতি আছা? কথা কোনে পাতি আছা? Okay. So please maintain the decorum. Okay. Or I am requesting all the students, please, if you have any conversation with your parents or your family members, you just say them that I have a class. So please, I will be talking with in your after the class. Okay. Don't interrupt in the classroom. Okay. You just ask or you just request with your family members, right? And your friends also, right? So, organoleptic properties. What is the organoleptic properties means? Do you have any idea? Organoleptic properties?
What even I can see, sir.
That can be touched.
Hmm?
I can feel, see, touch
Shape.
the shapes or the
See
color.
or feel our sense organs, sir.
Color, sir.
What? Color.
The properties that can be felt through the organs.
Yeah. Organoleptic properties means that is shape, size, and then color, taste.
Taste.
Okay. So these are organoleptic properties. That is comes under physical properties. So next is the bulk characteristics. Bulk characteristics include is solid state characteristics. Okay, when the drug, when the excipients, when the all active pharmaceutical ingredients are in the solid state, then what we have to go for the calculations. Then what we have to check the properties. Okay, then flow properties. Flow properties of what? Flow properties of the granules, flow properties of the powders. Why it is required? Flow properties. Flow properties. What is the importance of flow properties in the formulation of a drug, in the formulation of a tablet? Flow properties.
So to know how viscous the particles are.
Viscous.
Yes, sir.
Is it viscous? If it is in dry form, is it viscous? No. Flow properties for the for all. It is if it is in the solid state or in the liquid state also. Because when we are going for the preparation of a tablet, the flow properties is very important, is not it? Why? In the compression of tablet. For the compression of tablet, flow properties is the very important. Do you know how to compress the tablet? Have you studied the that means tablet formulation? No, I think in this semester you just go for the all studies how to prepare the tablets. Is not it? Do you
So
know the
how does
do you know the
select
procedure?
the tablet?
Uh-huh.
No, sir.
Do you know the procedure how to prepare the tablet? Don't
No.
know, I think. You know? Yes or no? Yes or no? Do you know? Don't know.
No,
How
sir.
does
No,
the
sir.
Okay. For
No, sir.
in this that means subject in industrial pharmacy, you know how to prepare the tablet, and I will show if that means situation allows. I will show how to prepare the tablet. Okay, one tablet punching machine is available in our that means laboratory. Have you seen that one? We have seen the tablet punching machine in our laboratory.
ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰিং
Yes,
ৰুমৰ
sir.
চাইডত থকাটো না স্যাৰ
Pharmaceutics lab 1. দেখিছানে তোমালোকে pharmaceutics lab 1 in front
দেখিছো স্যাৰ এই ভিতৰত যে ৰুম এটা আছে তাত আছে না
তাত আছে
দেখিছো স্যাৰ
So that is a tablet punching machine. Okay. So flow properties is important when we are doing for the preparation of the tablet. And density. Next one is the density. Okay. Do you know what is the density of water? Density of water. Don't
হৈ
know.
থাকিলো ন
No one. No one.
So one
কোনো নাজানে তোমালোকে?
One, sir, one.
So one.
কোনে চাই পেলাই ক'লা নেটত কোৱাচোন?
sir, nice one, nice one.
Nice one.
Sure.
একজেক্টলি 1 নাছিলে 9
Exact
9
নাছিলে,
কিবা এটা আছিলে 0
0.99.
Oh.
It takes it কি ক'লা? Density, what is the definition of density?
Mass by volume.
Density,
Mass by volume.
mass per volume. Good. অনুভৱ অনুভৱে ঠিকে কৈছা, mass per volume. বাকী তীৰ্থাংকৰ কোৱাচোন density definition.
by volume হৈছে।
তীৰ্থাংকৰ আছানে তুমি?
Yes, sir.
আছা কোৱা, what is the definition of density?
Sir, mass by volume.
Mass per volume. Sure.
Sir, মানে এটা weight relation, sir, with the substance or মানে the size of the substance, সেইটোৱে mass by volume.
So, okay, good. So, flow properties, density, and compressibility. Compressibility means in the preparation of tablet compression. Compression means we just press it the granules and in the form of what? Prepared in the form of tablet. That is by adhere property of the all excipients. That is called the compressibility. Then crystalline, polymorphism, hygroscopicity. These are the comes under bulk characteristics. Another one is the solubility analysis. That is ionization constant. কি গুচি গ'ল?
Slide খন গুচি গ'ল।
শ্লাইডখন আছে?
আছে তো
সবাই দেখিছা?
নাই দেখা
Black color
আছে লাইট ছাৰক দেখি পাই আছো।
আহিছে দিয়া।
আহিছে? Okay. So ionization constant, partition coefficient, solubilization, thermal effect, common ion effect, and dissolution. These are solubility analysis. We will discuss what are all these. Okay. So this is comes under physical characteristics. If you want to note it down, you can note it down. If you want to make screenshots, so you can take the screenshots. Fine. Okay. Okay. So these are, if you want to note down, you want to note down these all these things.
So I have taken this.
হেৰিটো নাথাকিব জানো
What?
তাত পৰ্টেলত শ্বেয়াৰ নকৰিব জানো এইটো PDF টো?
পৰ্টেলত মই শ্বেয়াৰ নকৰোঁ।
Sir, portal টো open কৰিব পৰা নাই।
কোনো ওপেন কৰিব পৰা নাই নেকি? নে অকল অনুভৱহে পৰা নাই?
Sir, কিবা এটা
পুৰা হৈছে এবাৰ। Okay.
incorrect password দেখাই থাকে sir।
চবৰে?
Sir হৈছে open। নহয়
হৈছে ছাৰ
অনুভৱ তুমি এটা কাম কৰা,
Sir, হয়।
forgot password কৰিবা।
Sir, আপুনি
Sir, বুজা নাই।
নোট এটা পৰ্টেলত নিদিয়ে নেকি?
তোমালোক ইমান এলেহুৱা হৈ গলা নে এইকেইদিনত? বস্তু এটা লিখি ল'ব বা মানে কপি কৰি ৰাখিবলৈ ইমান অসুবিধা তোমালোকৰ? চবটো এলেহুৱা হৈছা নেকি? মোবাইল চাইছে লিখিব নোৱাৰা?
নেটৱৰ্ক নাপায়, এটা ঠাইতে বহি থাকিব লাগে মোৰ।
আচ্ছা, স্ক্ৰীনশ্বট মাৰি থবা, ঠিক আছে? পিছত মই নোটছ হিচাপে দিম, কিন্তু তাৰ মাজত মই কেতিয়াবা ৰেণ্ডমলি কুৱেশ্যন সুধিলে তোমালোকৰ মাৰ্কছ দিম তাত, ঠিক আছে? গতিকে সেইবিলাকত পিছত নোৱাৰিলে কিন্তু মোক পিছত নক'বা যে ছাৰ কি পঢ়াইছিলে মোৰ মনত নাই। ফাইন? অ'কে?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So, stability analysis. This comes under the physical characteristics. Okay. So, solution state stability for the solution state stability in case of what? In case of liquid preparations. Hmm. And solid state stability, that is in case of if the drug is in the solid form, in the formulation in the solid form. Drug excipients compatibility. This is the most important, drug excipients compatibility. Compatibility means you understood what is compatibility? What do you mean by compatibility? You know what do you mean by compatibility?
Suitable for each other, sir.
Huh?
Coexisting, sir.
Suitable, sir, coexisting, suitable for each other, sir.
Yes, suitable each other. That means someone is not compatible with someone others. Okay, in between you also some you are all are your friends, but you are not compatible with anyone. Is not it? Is it happens? Is not so? Is not it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no? All of you are friends, but you are not compatible with him or her.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
See,
sir.
maybe,
Yes,
may
sir.
not be, but maybe. That means it does not have the compatibility. It did not give the mutual understanding with each other. That's why you are not compatible with someone. So
Yes.
same thing also. Drug and excipients. It is if it is not compatible. It is not compatible if the properties of the drug and excipients are not similar. Okay. So that is the most important thing in the selection of the excipients for a formulation. You know that starch is a binder, but is it starch is compatible with the particular drug? We don't know. Okay, if for a new formulation we don't know, we cannot take yes, starch only that starch is a binder, then we can use starch in everywhere. It is not like that because it should have the compatibility with the API. API means active pharmaceutical ingredients, or you can call it a drug. Right. So this is all about the your physical characteristics, right? Next, chemical characteristics. What are the chemical characteristics? That is hydrolysis, oxidation, photolysis, then immunization, then polymerization, isomerization. Okay, so these are the chemical characteristics. Okay, so what are the steps in the pre-formulation process for the stability studies, right? For the stability studies, that is first one is the solubility. Solubility means we have to check the solubility of the drug and also excipients. Where we have to check? Where we have to check the solubility? That means what? Solubility means what? Are you sleeping, all of you students?
No, sir.
No. No. Yes or no?
No, sir.
No. So tell me what do you mean by solubility? Solubility means no.
Sir, when we mix one or two substances,
Ah,
it and when it does not get precipitated,
hmm.
it gets it
Solid.
is called solid.
Okay. It is properly mixed with each other, is not it? So for the solubility, we have to take one solute and another one is the what?
Solvent.
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 So what do you mean by solute and what do you mean by solvent?
Solvent is the part where we need to mix the solute.
Yes, Amina.
The solvent is the basically it's the liquid substance where we need
Amina,
to
बात तो हमारा
mix the solute. Hello,
Yes.
sir.
What do you mean by solute and what do you mean by solvent? Can you give some example? You can say an example also.
Okay,
Sir,
the
salt in
solution
water, solute, salt is solute and solvent is water.
Water. Okay. Salt is solute and water is the solvent.
always
Solvent.
So, do you think that all the ingredients, when the preparation of the formulation, all the ingredients are soluble in water, or all the
no, sir.
ingredients are we took as a, all the that means, ingredients are soluble in water, or we already took only water as a solvent? Is it so?
No,
No.
sir.
No, sir.
No,
No,
no.
sir.
No, sir.
Yes or no?
So there will be some substances that will be soluble in organic solvents.
Yes or no?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No.
No.
No, sir.
Yes. No. It is no. Answer is no. Because why?
No.
All drug properties are not same. For the drug also, it may be soluble in water or it may not be soluble in water. If it is soluble in water, it is only for drug. For the excipients, if it is soluble in water, then it's okay. If drug is soluble in water and all the excipients is soluble in water, then it's okay. Not it. But in case if drug is not soluble in water and other excipients also not soluble in water, then what we have to do?
Use
Some
another
solubilizing
organic
agent.
solvent.
Yes, we have to take another solvents. What are the other solvents?
Alcohol.
Alcohol. Very good. Alcohol based solvents. That means
Sir,
ethyl alcohol, propylene glycol. Okay, all are other organic solvents. Is that it? So all these parameters we have to check for the solubility. Understood? All of you understood what is solubility and why it is required for the pre-formulation?
Yes,
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Simply তুমি যদি নিমখ চেনি লৈছা, you are taking salt and you are taking water. Let's consider uh, that salt is not soluble in water. Then what you have to take? You cannot replace the salt. You have to replace the water. It's not it. You have to replace the water with another solvent that is soluble. That is salt is soluble in that particular solvent. Same case. Same case is for the preparation of any formulation. If it is not soluble, then we have to take the another solvents, suitable solvents. Okay, that is here given. See, for the solid state, that is water or other solvent. Okay. So next is the temperature. What is the role of temperature in the pre-formulation study?
Sir, কিছুমান ড্ৰাগ বেছি হাই টেম্পাৰেচাৰ ডিগ্ৰেড হৈ যাব পাৰে, তাৰ প্ৰপাৰ্টিটো নষ্ট হৈ যাব পাৰে।
Exactly.
মানে কিমানটো টেম্পাৰেচাৰ মেইনটেইন কৰাটো নেচেচাৰি হয় এইটো জানিব লাগে।
Yes. Do you know in the formulation for the have you know about the tetanus toxoid? Okay, TT. Have you seen TT?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
TT
sir.
vaccine.
sir.
Okay, so it is stored in the freeze.
Fridge.
Fridge.
Is not it? Why?
Yes.
Why we are not kept in the normal temperature?
because in normal temperature,
Because
the
at
total
normal temperature, the drug may get degrade.
Yes, it become degrade. Okay, it cannot stable. So temperature is the most of the important part. Do you know what is eutectic powder? Have you heard eutectic powder, or do you have the
Your
practical?
voice is cracking.
So do you have eutectic powder?
Sir?
Eutectic powder. Have you performed your practical preparation?
Yes, sir.
Eutectic
Yes, sir.
powder.
ফার্স্ট টাইমত কৰিছিলো।
Yes.
Yes, sir.
First semতে কৰিছিলো।
Morisella. So what is this? What is the property of eutectic powder?
পাহৰি থাকিলো নহয় স্যাৰ।
কেনেকে হ'ব
মেল্ট হৈ
পাহৰি?
যায় স্যার, এইটো মেল্ট হৈ যায়
Yes, very good. কোনে
নৰ্মেল
কৈছা?
মেল্ট হৈ যায়।
কোনে কৈছা মেল্ট হৈ যায় বুলি? কোৱা, কোনে কৈছা? লোকমান। লোকমানে কৈছা? লোকমানে কৈছা নে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Yes, very good.
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
In the normal temperature, it become melted. So that is the temperature. That is the effect of temperature in the formulations. That means we have to keep eutectic powder below our normal temperature.
সেইটো টেম্পাৰেচাৰ কাৰণে আছে নে মইশ্চাৰ এবজৰ্ব কৰাৰ কাৰণে আছে?
দুইটাই
এটা
মইশ্চাৰটো এবজৰ্ব টেম্পাৰেচাৰটো ডিক্ৰিজ হোৱাৰ কাৰণে মইশ্চাৰটো এবজৰ্ব কৰি পেলাই কি হৈ যায় বস্তুটো লিকুইফাই হৈ যায় কথাটো বুজিছানে বুজি পালা
বুজি পাইছো স্যার মনত পৰিছে
okay so these are the factors okay then pH solubility profile pH is the most of the important factor is not it so what is the pH range do you know the pH range
Sir?
pH
0 to
range
14. 0 to 14.
0 to 40 which one is the acidic and which one is the basic
0 to 7.
Below 7 is
acidic
and above
below 7
Acidic.
is acidic below above
Above
7
7
is
is
7 it is
Yes.
basic.
yes
basic.
so we have to check the pH because when we have to take the we are just formulating the drug for the which route we are administrating and where we have to go for distribution. That means absorption happens in where. If we are taking, have you seen the Lim-C tablet, vitamin C tablet?
Yes, sir.
Have you taken
Yes, sir.
nowadays vitamin C tablet? Is it very
Yes, sir.
useful vitamin C tablet? Okay. So, what is the properties of the vitamin C tablet? Don't know. So when we are taking the vitamin C tablet, that is mouth dissolving tablets. You have to swallow it. Is that it?
Yes, sir.
fluids.
ভিটামিন সি টেবলেট খাইছা তোমালোকে কি কৰা পানী দি পেলাই গিলি দিয়া নেকি
হয় sir.
নাই
Yes.
কি কৰিব লাগে চুপি থাকিব লাগে
মুখত লৈ থাকিব লাগে।
মুখত লৈ থাকিব লাগে
কাট লৈ থাকিব লাগে
why
এইটো পমি যায় মুখতে।
মুখত লৈ দিলে কমি যায় কিয় কিয় এইটো মুখত লৈ থাকিবলগীয়া টেবলেট বনালে
sir, তাৰ site of absorption to maybe mouthতে হৈ চাগে
exactly it depends upon the it varies on the pH of the particular media pH so pH of our that means buccal cavity pH of our buccal cavity is in what acidic or basic or alkaline
Acid.
is it acidic is it acidic
Alkaline.
it is alkaline
line
yes which one is a prominence no what is your name Ambrose are you there Ambrose are you there
Alkaline, sir.
yes very good alkaline okay
Yeah.
okay so pH of our mouth is our buccal cavity is alkaline and the vitamin C tablet is you got the highest absorption in the alkaline medium that's why it is we are preparing as a what mouth dissolving tablet you understood
yes sir.
yes sir
that is
Yes.
pH and solubility it is soluble which pH we are what is the pH of the particular media and what is the pH of the it is depends upon the pH of the drug also okay so next one is the light what is the effect of light
sir certain drug get
Decomposed in the daylight.
certain drugs are
sunlight sir maybe
certain lights are certain drugs are light sensitive
Sensitive to the
yes sir
light.
okay so why that, in that case what
সেইটো
we are
কাৰণে আমি
using?
এইটো sir amber color bottle গিটা যে ইউজ
Very
কৰো এইটো
good,
কাৰণে
very
কৰো
good, very good. It absorbs the light. The amber color packaging materials absorbs the light. Then it does not affect the what? Formulation. Isn't it?
yes sir
Then salt forms. Salted drugs are salt. Those who have in salt form, they have some different physicochemical properties. Okay. So I will discuss
yes sir.
all these things. Then humidity. What is the humidity? What is the effect of humidity? Are you feeling the different humidity? Are you feeling the humidity difference in our area?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the difference? Do you
So
feel the
কেতিয়াবা
humidity?
moisture বেছি থাকে।
Yes. Do you feel the humidity differences? Moisture to বেশি থাকে। Moisture to বেশি থাকিলে কি হয়? Humidity বাড়লে কমে।
Bye.
Comment.
So I just request all the participants you just give your attendance, okay? Right. So it will stop in 5 minutes, right? Okay. So
দিয়া আছিলতো
yes, yes. So it is okay. Fine, fine.
Yes,
So
sir.
humidity is that you feel the difference of humidity is okay. If it is very humid, you feel very hot. You are sweating anytime. It's not. But in case of Delhi, when you are going to Delhi, it is temperature is 43 or 41 degrees Celsius. But you did not feel the you are not what sweating. That is the difference. So it is the in case of us also humidity is a factor, and for the drug and excipients also humidity is a factor. Is not it? Okay. So
Okay, sir.
in the preparation of the tablet, in the preparation of the capsule, we have to maintain the humidity and temperature. So it is the most
স্যার হিউমিডিটিটোৱে কেনেকে এফেক্ট কৰে ড্ৰাগটোক
হিউমিডিটিটো যদি বেছি হয় মইশ্চাৰ এবজৰ্বেন্সটো বেছি হৈ যাব ড্ৰাগৰ কথাটো বুজিছেনে
বুজিছো
so ঠিক আছে so for the today meeting will be end in then that means 3 or 4 minutes okay so today I just stop the classes in that part only okay do you have any query any confusion any that means any query you can ask me in that means in WhatsApp message also in our group fine so I think all of you understood this particular class are you benefited
Yes.
little bit
Yes,
Yes, sir.
okay
Yes, sir.
fine
Yes, sir.
so I just stop here only today fine so you can
Sir,
all of
slide.
you can leave now today fine
Sir, it will be better if you share your slides.
okay I will share but I just you just little bit you have to do some work in your home also not only sleeping and eating all this time all the time okay so you have to perform some I am just giving the slide I will share the slide but it will be beneficial when you are going for just pro study when you are writing something it will be beneficial for you right okay
Okay, sir.
okay so I request all of you you can leave now okay if giving
Thank
the
you, sir.
okay
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay
Thank
fine
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
fine fine
Thank you, sir.